Hi, good morning. Again we come back to the bridge course, that is physics from Dana Vikasa PU College. This is the part 3 video of this bridge course. Here, in the last class we discussed about, before that last class, distance and displacement we are already discussing. In the last class we can discuss about the speed and the velocity and some numericals based on speed and velocity as well as distance and displacement. Now we go for the continue part of the speed and velocity. Before going to that one, we have to know about the scalars and vectors. What is meant by scalars? What is meant by vectors? Scalars. What are the physical quantities we can see in scalars and vectors? First we know about the scalars. Scalars is nothing but, I am telling the distance is a scalar quantity. Why it is distance is a scalar quantity? Because it has only magnitude but no directions. Is it right? 20 kilometer. 20 kilometer is distance. In which direction? That is not mentioned. Is it north direction? Is it south direction? It is not mentioned. That's why the distance is a scalar quantity. This is nothing but, the scalar is nothing but, it has only magnitude but not direction. This is called as a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity is nothing but the physical quantity which has direction, which has only magnitude, but it does not have any direction, which has only magnitude and does not have direction, which is called as a scalar quantity. What are the examples for scalar? For example, length. Length, is it scalar or vector? Scalar. Is it length having directions? No. Length is nothing but, for example, one scale is there. This is 15 centimeter scale. In which direction? It does not ask any questions in which directions. 15 centimeter, that's enough. The scale length is 15 centimeter. Either it is east direction, north direction, south direction. No. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಲೆಂಗ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಒಂದು ಪೈಪ್ ಇದೆ, 20 feet ಪೈಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. How much its length of the given pipe, that is 50 feet, 20 feet. Otherwise, how much its length of the given cloth? 20 centimeter. Is it right? That means the length is a scalar quantity. And mass. Mass is scalar or vector? Scalar quantity. What is the mass of its body? 20 grams, 20 kg, 30 kg, but no direction. It has only magnitude. That's why the mass is also scalar quantity. And time. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ? 3 hours ಇದೆ. ಯಾವ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ಗಿದೆ? ನೋ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತಿದೆಯಾ? Is it questions? No, the time taken is also a physical quantity which has only magnitude. 20 seconds, 50 seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 1 year, 10 years. It has only magnitude but does not have any directions. Time is also scalar quantity. In distance and displacement, which is scalar quantity? Distance. Distance is also scalar quantity. Already we are discussing. And Speed is scalar or vector? Scalar. Speed is a scalar quantity, 20 km/h. On which direction? Don't ask. Only scalar quantity. Again, the vectors. Next we go for the vector. Vectors is nothing but it has the physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction is called vectors. Vectors is nothing but the physical quantity which has both magnitude as well as direction is called vector quantity. What are the examples? Force. The force is a vector quantity on which the force is a vector quantity, as well as already we are discussing the velocity is the vector quantity and acceleration is also vector quantity. For example, we can take one body. We are applying the force on this body either in this direction, either in this direction. This is nothing but the force is applied on the body from north direction, from east direction, from west direction, from south direction. Otherwise, I am standing here. I applied some force on the earth surface. In which direction? Downward directions. I throw a chalk piece. Towards which direction? Upward directions. And again the pencil chalk piece is come back to its downward direction. That means we are applying some force, then the chalk piece will be going upward. When we leave this chalk piece, then the chalk piece will come downwards. That means the force is also having magnitude as well as direction. 5 Newton, 10 Newton. I will strike the body. I will strike one person with a 10 Newton force. Then he goes on that direction. When he strike a body in this direction with a 20 Newton force, then he goes in this direction. That's why the force is also a vector quantity. Are you understanding? These are the scalars and vectors. Velocity is also direction. Because of velocity is nothing but displacement by time taken. Displacement having direction. That's why velocity is also direction. Acceleration is also vector quantity. It has also both magnitude as well as direction. Are you understanding? These are the scalars and vectors. Pause the video and copy the notes. Next we go for the acceleration. What is meant by acceleration? Otherwise, before going to that acceleration, I have checked the video is running or not. Okay, let's see the average velocity, average speed. Already we are discussing about speed and velocity. Now itself goes the average speed and average velocity. Average speed. Average speed is nothing but the total distance by total time taken. The total distance by total time taken is called average speed. ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 6 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ PCMB ಇನ್ PUC. ಆವರೇಜ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಬಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್. For example, already I am giving some examples about Pandu walking in north direction and come back to south direction and goes east direction. Same example I will take. If the point A is here, he goes north direction with 20 kilometer and again come back to his south directions and again he goes to east direction. This is point O, this is point C. the total distance traveled by a bond, which this is 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30 plus again he goes to point O to C. This is 50. The total distance traveled by a point is 20 plus 30 plus 50 divided by time taken. But time taken is not mentioned. But I will mention the 20 kilometers by 1 hour and again 30 kilometer by 1 hour and again 50 kilometer by 1 hour. Just imagine 20 kilometer 1 hour le ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 30 kilometer 1 hour le ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, 50 kilometer 1 hour le ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. You understand? This is the total distance. Then the total time taken. Here is 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is nothing but 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus 50, 100, 100 by 30. What the answer is? 100 by 30 is 0, 0 get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 3s are 3.3. 30.33. This is the average speed of the particle. This is nothing but the total answer is 33.3 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed. Then what about average velocity? Average velocity. Velocity is nothing but displacement by time taken. Average velocity is nothing but total displacement by time taken. Is it okay? Total displacement by time taken. What is the displacement here? The shortest distance between these 2 points. 20 minutes. Shortest distance between 2 points. The average displacement, how can you calculate? By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is OAC square is equal to OA square plus OC square. Is it right? OA is nothing but, how much this one? 30 minus 20, 20 square. Plus OC is, how much distance is? 50 square. That's why where AC is equal to, already we are solving this problem in case of displacement or velocity, the total answer is 50.99 kilometer per hour. This is the displacement. Is it right? The displacement is 50.99 kilometer. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ the total displacement of the particle is 50.99 again divided by time taken is 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour. How much? 3 hours. This is nothing but 50.99 divided by 3 hours. Again you calculate. This is the average velocity kilometer per hour. This is all about average speed by average velocity. Just easy method you can go. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Average speed is nothing but total distance by total time taken. Velocity is nothing but displacement by time taken. Average velocity is nothing but total displacement by total time taken. That's it. This is about the average speed and average velocity. Is it okay? Next we go for the another concept, uniform motion. Uniform motion. Uniform is nothing but with the same. For example, ನೀವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ದ